Many users will have a technical requirement or personal preference to retain their legacy desk phone. This video shows how the hybrid model allows the customer to sweat the investment in their legacy equipment whilst leveraging the benefits of the new technology. The hybrid user experiences the best of both worlds by accessing Skype for Business for their basic unified communication needs such as presence, instant messaging, etc., with the voice element of communication routing through their legacy telephone. Belinda is desk-based and is a light telephony consumer. She needs her phone to speak to customers and suppliers occasionally, but also has a requirement to converse with colleagues around the business who could be similar to her, using the legacy phone system, or she could be like Chris, Alistair and Steve, who are Skype users. She really needs the best of both worlds. Belinda can use her Avaya phone to dial anyone's extension in the business, as she has done historically, and get through to them whether they are phone users or Skype users. Belinda would also like to be able to start using the new features of Skype for Business for chat, for example, using instant message. However, chats can often escalate quickly to voice calls. As Belinda is not a fully fledged Skype user, she is not necessarily equipped with the tools for a Skype call. Therefore, when the Skype chat is escalated to a voice call, the voice element of the conversation is routed to her desk phone. Belinda is comfortable that the way she is used to working is not changing massively, but happy to be able to start using the new tools as well. Pennine has seen great benefits around the user adoption model, with users experiencing the best of both worlds and a gradual migration to a full Skype environment.